my creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a purple slash turquoise look. I'm not sure how it's going to come out because it's just coming off the top of my head, so we're going to see if it works well, the two colors. But we are going to get started. As always, can you please like, share, and subscribe? And if you know anyone who likes bold looks, share my profile with them so that way we can grow together. Right off the bat, we're going to go in with our P. Louise blank canvas. We're just going to put that all over the eyelid, blend that out with the brush to your liking, of course. And we're going to do this until it kind of looks like it's blending into the skin, kind of like that. And just kind of put that all over the lid. We're going to go in with another P. Louise base. It's called Extra Ecstasy. And we're just going to blend that out. And we are just doing the same steps that we did for the previous concealer base, and just kind of spreading that all around because this is going to help bring out that color. I did use a fuller brush, and then we're going to go in with our first eyeshadow matte, and then we're just going to put that into the crease. And we're just going to blend that kind of just in that little area, so that crease area. So I'm just do that motion there and kind of just establish the color first. And then I went back in with it again just to kind of build up the color intensity. And this is the palette that we are going to use. So that is the palette that has all the purples that we're kind of going to use today. And we're going to go in with that same purple. And we're gonna use a slightly lighter purple on top as well, like I'm doing right now, just to kind of bring out the differences in the colors of purple. And then I am just gonna go back into the crease with that same lighter purple to kind of bring out that darker purple. And then this is called Stack 'em Up by P. Louise. We're gonna use the lightest purple here, and we're gonna kind of use that on our outer eyelid, and this kind of just brings it all together. It kind of creates like a frosty type of makeup eyeshadow look. And if you lose color, don't worry, it's fine. We can go right back in like this, and we're just gonna go right back in with the darkest purple and then build up to that lighter purple and then the lightest purple. So just using these motions to kind of make sure all the colors are blending well. And I'm gonna go in after this with a palette by Juvia's Place, the Nubian Royal. This purple is so pretty. So I'm actually just gonna put this kind of on top, not on the lighter purple, but on the kind of in the middle, if that makes any sense, to kind of bring that purple together. So you're kind of putting it in between the light and like the medium shade purple to kind of give it that like ambience. And then we're going to cut our crease. We're going to use the Cut Carver by P. Louise. And we're just going to do this motion. It's going to create some lines. And that's kind of where you want to cut your crease. You'll put more on. And you'll just take it off with a Q-tip. You might use several of them, so that's okay. And then this is how it should look. I already filled it in already because it takes so long. And then we're going to go in with this palette by P. Louise as well. And we're going to use Coastal and Catfish. So we're going to use Coastal first to kind of give it that light and lightness. It's kind of like a light purple-ish. And then after we lay this on, we're going to go in with a turquoise silk Catfish. And we're just going to tap it, kind of like, I don't know how to even explain this motion, but you're just going to tap it and kind of move it subtly. You don't want to be too harsh with it. And you're just going to keep going on for as many layers as you think looks good. So I probably did this like 3 times because you see how the color is building up. And then I did lose some of my coastal color, so I went back in with that lighter color to kind of make sure I didn't lose it. And then I did use the darkest purple that I used for this whole look today to put that on my outer eyelid. And now I'm just using the brush to kind of just blend the darkness with the turquoise to kind of give it that depth, if you know what I mean. So I repeat this step a couple times. And then we're going to use some glitter. So we're going to add some Glitter Brilliance by NYX, and then we're going to use a Makeup a Murder glitter and this other glitter. And so we're going to go there first, and then we're going to put that Makeup a Murder glitter on there, and it's so pretty. And then after that, we just use our other glitter, and I also love glitter, so that's just who I am. So then we're going to put those two on there, and then we're going to go in with our NARS powder foundation, and we're going to just kind of blend out the harsh edges of the eyelids, and it really does make a difference. It really gets rid of like those harsh lines, and it just looks so diffused. So this is the look, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Love you. So this is the look that I did today. I just thought about it. I kind of wanted to use a turquoise and purple. So this was something I came up with. I'm not sure how I feel about it, so let me know how you feel about it in the comments below. And then as always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I don't know how I feel about this look.